Opti is leveraging the Gen AI revolution and building dedicated specialized models in the field of identity and access management, bringing those together and solving for the biggest pain points enterprises have pretty much. We partnered with YL very early in our journey to understand really what we want to do this time around. And we knew we wanted to search for a sub-segment of cybersecurity that can sustain that big company all the way to an IPO. And YL helped us in navigating the ideation portion. They connected us to, I think, dozens of security leaders, those that understand also the startup realm and what is possible and not possible for startup to push. And they were instrumental in connecting us with dozens of cybersecurity leaders, those that really understand the startup realm as well. And that was very helpful in understanding that identity is really that top concern going on 2025, 2026. So myself and my two co-founders, I'm blessed to work with for the past 20 years pretty much. And we've been around the block. We sold one company before. And what really, I think, surprised us and in many ways helped us as well is that YL really tailored themselves to what we know and don't know and focused on helping us in those areas where we could use the most assistance in connecting us with industry leaders. And when we sat down together to think about what is that value proposition, what is the vision that Opti is trying to build, what are we going to do a year down the road, what are we going to do 5 years down the road, I think YL also gave us a lot of the credit that we're trying to build now something that is a bit more elaborate, a bit more wide than the typical startup MVP, very narrow feature approach. And I think the fact that they gave us the credit that we can build such a wide platform and approach really the top enterprises in the world really helped us. When eventually choosing who we want to partner with for this 5, 10, 15 years journey, it was very important for us, also as an experience from our previous round, that we want someone that understands what are the top challenges in startups, but then only gets involved where they can help and offer a hand. There's a lot of different challenges, and some things simply don't have a solution. But when it comes to the go-to-market, on how to actually bring the product to market, how to get to end users, I think that's kind of the most both unique and beneficial endeavor that YL helps us with.